Well, hey everybody, it's Chad here from American RV Center, and you know we love road trips. We live for home on wheels living, and right now we got something special. If you've ever wanted a late model Class C motorhome at a deal you'll still brag about, this is your moment. Now this right here is a 2022 Coachmen Freelander. It's one of the most popular Class C motorhomes in the country, and we've used units just like this for years in our rental fleet. We kept them maintained top to bottom, and now it's time to rotate a few out. So let me show you why these Freelander rigs are such a sweet spot. They got a cozy overhead queen size bunk that's perfect for the kids, and a private walk around queen bedroom for mom and dad. It's also got a comfy sofa and dinette that make into extra sleeping if you need it. And it has a real kitchen, not a maybe you can cook in it situation, an actual workable galley. It's even got a legit bathroom with a shower that doesn't feel like a phone booth when you use it. And Coachmen build quality. They're solid, reliable, and designed for people who actually travel, not just talk about it. Now these rental units are dialed in. They get scheduled maintenance, generator checks, roof inspections, everything. And honestly, they're often in better mechanical shape than a lot of privately owned Class Cs out there. You're getting a late model Freelander that's been road tested, maintained, and now priced to move. And I'll keep it real, we don't have very many. Once this batch of Freelanders is gone, that's it until the next rotation. And I have zero clue when that'll be. It could be a couple of years, it could be longer. So if you want a deal on a late model Coachmen Freelander, come on out to American RV Center. Walk through one, check it out, take it for a spin. Just mention Freelander Rental Rotation so we know you're here for the good stuff. Now come see us. Your next adventure is sitting right here waiting for you.